Have you ever wondered how YouTube creators effortlessly merge creativity with commerce, turning their passion projects into lucrative endeavors? Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of YouTube affiliate marketing, a pathway that countless beginners have navigated to make their first sale. Imagine starting from scratch, without an audience or a product. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its accessibility. You don't need warehousing, customer service teams, or even products of your own. What you do need is a strategic approach, and that's what we're here to explore. First things first, let's consider your niche. Selecting a topic you're passionate about, yet one with potential profitability, is critical. Look for areas where you possess knowledge or interest, but don't overlook the importance of audience demand and competition. Use tools like Google Trends to gauge interest and validate your choice. Once your niche is established, it's time to scout for affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are popular programs beginners often choose. Each platform offers a diverse array of products to promote, spanning across various industries and interests. Next, let's talk about content creation. Engaging videos are your primary tool in the affiliate marketer's toolkit. Think about the value you can provide to viewers. Product reviews, unboxings, and tutorials are effective video formats that naturally lend themselves to affiliate promotion. In terms of quality, ensure your videos are both visually appealing and informative. High-quality visuals, clear audio, and well-thought-out scripts elevate your content and increase viewer engagement. Now, once you've crafted your content, think about integrating your affiliate links strategically. This isn't about plastering links indiscriminately, but about adding them in ways that genuinely enhance the viewer's experience. Place links in your video description, but also consider verbal callouts during the video. Encourage viewers to check out the links for further information or exclusive deals, making the mention as natural as possible. An often overlooked step is optimizing your video for YouTube's search engine. SEO may sound intimidating, but it boils down to using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. These elements help your video appear in searches, drawing in potential viewers who are interested in related topics. Another tip is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage subscriptions. Building a community encourages viewer loyalty, which can lead to repeated sales through recurring viewership. Promotion extends beyond YouTube. Share your videos on social media platforms where your potential audience might hang out. This not only increases visibility, but also brings in viewers from multiple sources, maximizing your video's reach. Now, let's not overlook analytics. After publishing a few videos, take time to review their performance. YouTube's analytics dashboard provides insights into viewer behavior, like watch time, click-through rates, and audience demographics. These metrics guide you in refining your strategy, showing you what's working and what needs tweaking. Understand that affiliate marketing on YouTube requires patience. Your first sale might not happen overnight, but consistency is key. Let's wrap up with the mindset. Approach affiliate marketing with a learner's attitude. Experimentation and persistence are your companions. Celebrate small victories and learn from errors without getting discouraged. In essence, YouTube affiliate marketing is a powerful avenue for generating income. It enables you to share genuine value with your audience while pursuing a sustainable financial model. Equipped with the right strategy and mindset, your journey from zero to your first sale is not only achievable, but a rewarding pursuit in the digital age. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9t05.com.